Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been like forever. I haven't been vlogging like forever. So today I don't know, I didn't take you along for my little self-care thing and routine. I did my nails, I did my toes, I did my makeup, and I'm going to my all this is for like a birthday party. I'm going to my sister-in-law's birthday party, and Adma is going to babysit baby Washe, and yeah. So guys,
I've been doing that already.
So he's been doing that already, cause my day like started today. I started off by like going to the salon. I was at the salon this whole time. I did all these things
And we just
at the salon. We just got chicken slice.
Thank you.
Just to give you just a quick update of just everything. I mean, I came back from Bulawayo. Yeah, weeks earlier I was sick and I couldn't really vlog. I wasn't feeling like vlogging. We came back, we did our gardening. I'll show you my gardening, it's improving. And also, what else did we do, which I promised to show you guys? I've forgotten, but then yeah, life has been happening, and yeah, just that. So yeah guys, catch you all later when I'm dressed up. Cheers. Hey guys, so today is a Tuesday. I left you guys hanging on Saturday. I was supposed to take you along for a birthday dinner party, but I was in the moment, guys. I didn't take much of the videos. I think I did take a video. When I got there. I loved the place. The scenery was just amazing. I'll just put the video in for you guys to see. And then after that, I think I didn't take even pictures. I only took a selfie. I also put the pictures of what I was wearing. I just loved everything there, but I couldn't really like vlog the party because I was in the moment. Sorry about that. So today it's a Tuesday. Yes, I did mention we are going for Wash's swimming lesson. Just a quick life update. After I came back from Bulawayo, I did get a helper who was going to be staying in with me from Sunday to Thursday, and then they got for a walk and off. But due to circumstances which were beyond my abilities to keep her, the husband didn't want her to work. It became an issue, so I only kept her for 2 weeks. So it has been just something else. So I had to remember I have a helper who comes Tuesdays and Thursday. I had to call my older helper to come. So today she's around, and on Thursday she's also coming. But still, I'm still gonna try and find a stay-in helper, because I think Washing now is grown up. He's all over the place. I also need to get my life going. So right now we are off for Wash's swimming lesson, but I don't think I'll take you along because I don't think they allow for us to take videos there. But maybe I'll just snap some pics of Washe, of him wearing swimsuit. It's so cute. But if I won't again, because Washe is always up and about. He's now just, you can't take a picture of a 1 year 8 months. He's always out and about. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna do that. And I also want to show you my gardening later when I come back, because I also want to go to Borodale and deposit some money. I want to buy some stuff from China for business. Yeah, and then after I come back, I think I'll just do some business. I'll just do some marketing and also follow up on people who want to come and get their stuff, because I've got clients who might come today. So yeah guys, later. So let me take you along. if I can. If I can't, that means we'll talk later. Hey guys, so this is my garden. As you can see, I've started to just dig some holes to transplant my other plants which have grown. I have cabbage and I have tomatoes. This is the cabbage, the 4 lines, and then from the mid, 1, 2, 3, and just a bit of that are tomatoes, and also there's covo there. So these ones have grown at least, and they need to be transplanted into those walls I dug, as you can see. And then these, as you can see, there are leaves which I put like branches with leaves here, because I also planted yesterday. We did plant with my gardener. My gardener is actually the one doing most of the work. He did plant spinach and green paper. So this other part, this other side, also will dig some holes to transplant the what are these, the plants when they have grown. And also this is my carrot. As you can see, it's also growing very well. And also just the center, there was the center bed which I didn't talk about. This center bed which has nothing. Also we just need to transplant as the plants grow. Hey guys, welcome. Today's a Sunday. Today's a Sunday. I didn't go to church, but I managed to like live stream the church. We do have a live stream. Yeah. So that's what we did with Washe. Because Washe he slept until 9:30, so I couldn't really wake him up. I don't like waking him up. I want him to wake up on his own. And yesterday he really slept late. He slept at around 11:30. He was very restless, 2 to 12. So we just didn't have a good night. So I decided maybe we should not go. So we had a good service, but I don't really recommend going to church at home because you get a lot of disturbances. I had a lot of disturbances. This vlog, I think it's all over the place, but I started the vlog, so I just have to go with the flow. Right now I want to bath wash him, and then I want to shoot my video, just a WeChat video, because I hadn't done one, and then after that maybe I'll upload, and then maybe today we might go for something, because yesterday we didn't do anything. I was super busy. I did some work. I was delivering people's goods and also getting some goods, washe, and also getting some goods from Bulawayo. So I'm just gonna be doing that. And yesterday we also had a braai. I wanted to show you my utensils, the one which I bought in Bulawayo, the one which I said I was going to use for salad. I'll show you, I will just put a little video here. And also those utensils which I bought from downtown in Harare. They are in use, guys, and they are so nice and portable and pretty, and they look fancy. And again, those I think the uptown people actually buy from downtown, because these are actually good quality and I really love them. As you can see on the video on my left, that they're just so pretty. So yeah, yesterday after a long day, we did have a braai, and my bamnini was around, so we just had like a small intimate braai. And then right now I'm just gonna film that video, and also maybe we'll take Washer to play. His dad has gone somewhere for work, so he'll be back, I think, in 30 or an hour. So yeah, guys, let me take you along in today's day. Okay, cheers. So you can remove his jacket. Hey guys, so today is a Tuesday. I ended up failing to close this vlog, but I had started another one. On Monday, yesterday. Today I managed to purchase these. I don't know if you can see this properly. Organics. Those who have been here, those who have watched my hair videos, they know that I use these organics. So I managed to get this 2-in-1 for $6 at Bond Pharmacy. Those who know, in Harare, $6, guys. I was just shocked. So I used these, but this one was a shampoo, which was just it was just an aloe vera shampoo without the other stuff. This I bought in South Africa. It has run out. I think what's left is one wash. What I liked about this one is that it is a 2-in-1. It is infused with aloe vera, and also it has it helps to cleanse and moisturize your hair. Yeah, so we're trying to just take care of our hair. So I normally really do buy bigger containers because I don't want to be buying every time. So yeah, I just was happy that I managed to buy this at I managed to buy one of this at $6 because normally they're $10 or so. So right now I'm just gonna relax and wait for my client. Maybe I will sleep, maybe I won't, but then I just want to watch some other YouTubers content, wait for my client who is yet to come. Today is a Tuesday. I have a helper, so I'm not doing anything. I'll just cook our dinner, and then yeah guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and do support me till we meet on the next vlog. Bye.